everyone! My name is Liana Gadaiva and today I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of using electric toothbrush. A lot of people ask which is better, a manual toothbrush or an electric one? Well, after today you'll understand why electric toothbrush is a better way to go. Number 1. Electric toothbrush keeps your teeth, gum and tongue cleaner and healthier. Bristles like this can reach further in between teeth that manual brushes can't. The combination of motion and equal pressure from electric toothbrush removes plaque and tartar that manual toothbrushes leave behind. We have noticed that those who use manual toothbrushes struggle to keep both sides of their mouth clean. For example, right-handed patients tend to brush their left side of their mouth more thoroughly and forget about the right side. This brings us to the second benefit. Electric toothbrush makes for longer and more thorough teeth brushing. Most electric toothbrushes set up for equal time duration for each quadrant, which ensures a better, longer brushing and a great clean feeling. You can really count on them getting off those hard-to-reach places that we miss with manual brushing. Number 3. An electric toothbrush does the work for you. Though we have a good intention with adding extra time to brush our teeth, it can have a damaging effect on our gums. You never want to put too much time or pressure on your gums. But unlike manual brushing, an electric toothbrush not only times your brush, but takes the guesswork out of brushing and prevents overdoing it. Number 4. Many people don't even know that they're on the verge of gingivitis or gum disease. It's a very scary feeling not knowing whether you're using the right tool of preventing it. Electric toothbrush is one of the best tools to fight gingivitis and gum disease. Not only do you get a more thorough cleaning, but it's a smarter way of brushing. And last but not least, benefit number 5. Using electric toothbrush can get rid of bad breath. Electric toothbrush and regular flossing can work together to get rid of bad breath by finding and eliminating foods between the teeth. If you don't have electric toothbrush yet, what are you waiting for? You will notice the difference immediately and you will never want to go back to the manual toothbrush again. To learn more tips on a healthier smile, stay connected with us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day!